Psychology is a vast field filled with diverse theories and perspectives, each contributing to our understanding of the human mind and behavior. Among the many influential figures in psychology, Ivan Pavlov and Jean Piaget stand out for their groundbreaking work that laid the foundation for modern psychological theories. We'll explore the contributions of Pavlov and Piaget, delve into their respective theories, and examine their lasting impact on psychology and education. Pavlovian conditioning. One of the most famous experiments in psychology, Pavlov's work on classical conditioning revolutionized our understanding of learning and behavior. Classical conditioning refers to the process by which an organism learns to associate a neutral stimulus with a meaningful stimulus, leading to a conditioned response. Pavlov demonstrated this phenomenon through his experiments with dogs, where he paired the ringing of a bell, neutral stimulus, with the presentation of food, meaningful stimulus. Over time, the dogs learned to associate the bell with food and began salivating at the sound of the bell alone. This simple yet powerful experiment laid the groundwork for understanding various behaviors and paved the way for behaviorism as a dominant psychological perspective. Classical conditioning has numerous real-world applications, from advertising and marketing to therapy and education. Understanding how associations are formed and behaviors are influenced by environmental cues is essential in many fields, making Pavlov's work highly relevant even today. Piaget's theory of cognitive development. While Pavlov focused on learning and behavior, Piaget's work centered on cognitive development in children. Piaget proposed a stage theory of cognitive development, suggesting that children progress through distinct stages of mental growth as they interact with the world around them. Piaget identified four main stages of cognitive development: sensorimotor, preoperational, concrete operational, and formal operational. Each stage is characterized by unique ways of thinking and understanding the world, influenced by biological maturation and environmental experiences. Key concepts in Piaget's theory include assimilation, accommodation, and schema. Assimilation involves incorporating new information into existing mental structures, while accommodation requires modifying existing schemas to fit new information. Piaget's theory has had a profound impact on education, emphasizing the importance of hands-on learning and active exploration in promoting cognitive development. Comparison of Pavlov and Piaget's theories. While Pavlov and Piaget approached psychology from different angles, their theories share some common themes. Both emphasize the role of experience in shaping behavior and cognition, albeit in different ways. Pavlov focused on associative learning through conditioning, while Piaget highlighted the importance of active exploration and discovery in cognitive development. However, there are also significant differences between the two theories. Pavlov's work primarily focused on observable behaviors and the role of environmental stimuli, whereas Piaget delved into the internal processes underlying cognitive development. Despite these differences, both theories offer valuable insights into human learning and development. Influence on psychology and education. The contributions of Pavlov and Piaget extend far beyond their original research. Their theories have had a profound impact on psychology and education, shaping research agendas and educational practices for decades. In psychology, Pavlov's work laid the groundwork for behaviorism, which dominated the field for much of the 20th century. While behaviorism has since been supplanted by cognitive and other perspectives, Pavlov's ideas continue to influence research on learning and memory. Piaget's theory, on the other hand, revolutionized our understanding of child development and education. His emphasis on active learning and the importance of play in cognitive development has shaped educational practices around the world. Piaget's stages of cognitive development remain a cornerstone of developmental psychology, providing a framework for understanding how children think and learn. Criticisms and limitations. Despite their lasting influence, both Pavlov and Piaget's theories are not without criticisms. Critics of Pavlovian conditioning argue that it oversimplifies the complexity of human behavior and ignores factors such as cognition and emotion. Similarly, Piaget's theory has been criticized for its universalistic approach, overlooking cultural and individual differences in cognitive development. Additionally, Both theories have faced challenges from newer perspectives in psychology. For example, the rise of cognitive neuroscience has led to a deeper understanding of the neural mechanisms underlying learning and cognition, challenging some of the assumptions of classical conditioning and stage theory. Evolution of psychological thought. The contributions of Pavlov and Piaget mark significant milestones in the evolution of psychological thought. Their work laid the foundation for subsequent research and theory development, shaping the way we understand the mind and behavior. Contemporary perspectives in psychology build upon the insights of Pavlov and Piaget, while also integrating new findings from fields such as neuroscience, genetics, and social psychology. The field continues to evolve, with researchers exploring complex phenomena such as consciousness, emotion, and social cognition. Conclusion. In conclusion, the work of Ivan Pavlov and Jean Piaget represents two pivotal contributions to the field of psychology. Pavlov's experiments on classical conditioning and Piaget's theory of cognitive development have had a profound impact on our understanding of learning, behavior, and child development. While both theories have their limitations, they remain influential in shaping research agendas and educational practices. As psychology continues to evolve, the legacies of Pavlov and Piaget serve as reminders of the enduring quest to unravel the mysteries of the human mind.